Welcome to today's update. BTC on the weekly time frame is gradually losing its bullish momentum right now because finally we've seen a weekly candle now close below the 74k level, which was an important key level for BTC. Now, if you take a look at it, the 74k level acted as a major level of resistance here back in March, and also acted as a major level of support here back in April 2025, and also here in 2024 March, it acted as a major level of resistance. So you can see how important this level really is for BTC right now in terms of this bear market. Now that we are back below the 74k level, the next major key level that I'm currently paying attention to right now on the BTC price chart is currently sitting at the this major level here, which is the 65k level. And if the price fail to hold firmly above the 65k level, then the next important key level here is sitting at the February low, which is the 60k level here on the weekly price chart. But what I want to see during the week, because currently we are having major activities that is going to happen during the week, so what I'm expecting during the week is for this newly formed weekly candle to break firmly above the 74k level, then closed above it. With that, we can see another momentum that is going to give us a chance either to test the 83k to the 85k level, or maybe to get a proper break and a close above the 83k to the 85k level here on the weekly price chart. So this is what I'm currently watching here on the weekly price chart. Remember, in our previous videos I said right at this level, when BTC was currently at the 82k level to the 83k level, I said currently I'm not doing anything, because what I was watching was the 83k level to the 85k level. I was waiting for BTC to flip and close firmly above it. From there, I said I'll begin to add more to my spot position, and also I won't be doing anything here either. What I'm currently watching is the 74k level. If we see a weekly candle close below the 74k level, then I'll be looking for a new buy at the 65k level to the 60k level here on the weekly price chart. If you have been following me on the channel, you will currently see I have been talking about this level here on the price chart. And looking at the 200 weekly moving average, it's gradually moving towards the price of BTC, currently sitting at the 61k $800 level. And I'll be saying this every day on the channel. As long as we keep seeing BTC just maybe consolidating and moving within this level, we will continue to see a rise from the 200 weekly moving average moving towards the price of BTC. And as you know, in the entire price history of BTC, the 200 weekly moving average has always acted as a major level of support. The only time we saw a break below it was back in 2022 bear market, and after this break below the 200 weekly moving average, this was exactly where the bottom of the 2022 bear market was formed. So right now, the 200 weekly moving average is still an important key level to watch if we are to get a major crash down liquidity here on the price chart. So right now, these are my current position here on the BTC price chart, what I'm currently watching here on the weekly price chart. And in terms of the daily time frame, BTC on the daily time frame is still very much active within this bear flag structure, and this has really kept the price within this range, making the price to look very, very weak here on the daily price chart. Now, as you can see, we've got yet another rejection here from the resistance of the bear flag structure, and right now we're heading back to this major level of support here on the bear flag structure. What I'm currently waiting for and what I'm currently looking at here on the daily time frame is maybe a liquidity grab here, then maybe consolidate here a little bit, then from there we can see another impulse move. It's either to hit the major resistance here, which is currently sitting at the 89k level, or maybe see a major daily close above it and hold it as a major level of support. From there we can easily invalidate this bear flag structure here on the daily time frame. But if we fail, like maybe after getting to this level right here, and we fail to hold firmly above it, and also fail to get back above it after the close below it, then we should be looking at another major liquidity grab sitting at the 65k level here on the daily time frame, just like on the weekly time frame. And also, if we fail to hold firmly above the 65k, then we might be looking at the February low, but is currently sitting at the 60k level here on the daily price. So as you can see, the levels are pretty clear here on the daily time frame. There is no need to complicate things on the entire price chart. Watch out for this level here, the support level on the bear flag structure, which is currently sitting at the 71k level. A daily close below it will get us back to the 65k level, and also failing to hold the 65k level, like I just said, will get us back to the 60k low here on the daily price chart. So this is what we currently have here on the BTC price chart. Now, in terms of liquidation level, if you look at the liquidity heat map right now on the 1 month of price action, right now, as you can see, we're having major level of liquidity here sitting at the 61k 700 and also approximately 65k level here on the price chart. So as you can see, the 65k level here is also acting as a major level of support right at this level. And if we take a look at the upside liquidity, we're currently having major liquidity sitting at the 83k level here on the price chart, which is also acting as a major level of resistance here on the weekly price chart. Now, if we take a look at another major level here, which is another high level here, we're currently having at the 96k level and the 97k level here on the 1 month of price action. So watch out for this level right here on the price chart, and don't get this complicated for yourself. Just make sure you look out for these important key levels of support and also important levels of resistance, both on the daily time frame and on the weekly time frame, and you will definitely see where the price is currently heading to. Now, if we zoom out to the ETH price chart on the daily time frame, ETH on the daily time frame is still very much within this bear flag structure, and in fact, we have seen a breakdown below the bear flag structure here, and as you can see, we are heading towards the next key important level of support right here, which is currently sitting at the $1,986 level to the $1,900 level approximately. Right now, we are fighting against this major level of support right here, and if we can hold firmly above it, let me draw it out properly so that you see. If we can firmly hold above it, then we should be looking at maybe a reversal here from the price, maybe just a little bit of consolidation, then a reversal here from the price that's going to take us back into this range and maybe back into this next major level of resistance that is currently sitting at the $2,300 level here on the daily price chart. So this is what we're currently having here on the daily price chart, and if we fail to hold firmly above this price, if ETH fail to hold firmly above this price and we see another daily candle closes below this level here and fail to get back above it, then we should be looking at the next major key level here that is currently sitting at the $1,700 level here on the price chart. In fact, let's say $1,800 level here on the price chart, and also a fail to hold above the $1,800 level is going to get us back to the February low that is currently sitting at the $1,700 level here approximately on the price chart. So this is what we're currently having here on the ETH price chart. Just watch out for these major key levels here and you won't be left behind. Right now, like I said, we are fighting to hold firmly above this level, and if we can hold firmly above it, I will be seeing ETH maybe heading to much more higher prices from here at this level. Now, another key important pressure that we should be paying attention to right now is the stablecoin dominance. Stablecoin dominance has really been a big influence on the entire crypto market, mostly altcoin. Now, if you take a look at it, in the past few days, we have been seeing major rally coming from the stablecoin dominance, and this has resulted to major pullback from altcoins and from BTC. So what I want to see here on the price chart is a major rejection at this level, just like what we saw here back in February and also here in March. If we can get this exact rejection here and get us another lower low here, this is going to put the entire crypto market and mostly altcoins into much more higher prices. But if we see a daily candle closing or closes above this level here, which is currently now a resistance, then we might be looking for a major high here from the stablecoin dominance, which is going to push the entire altcoin market and also BTC into much more lower price. Just like I said, so watch out for this level right here. Immediately you see a daily candle closing above this level, just know that we're about to enter a new phase of a bearish momentum from BTC and also from altcoin. So this is what I'm currently having here in this video, and I'll continue to update you guys as long as we keep seeing new update from the entire crypto market. If you find this video very useful, make sure you smash up the like button, and if you want to continue to watch this kind of content every day here on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. turn on the notification bell so that next time when I make a specific video just like this, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.